Hi, I'm Wicked Wendy, and welcome to my library. I'm here to open up another box with you guys. Alright, so today we're going to be opening up Brat Box. Woo woo! Now this box, I got the, pretty sure it's a $30 one. Yeah, because it comes with 3 pins and a patch. And I actually been really into pins and patches because I'll see Toxic Tears. She opens up these spooky boxes and they come with such cute pins and like patches, and I'm like, well, that's like a UK based box, so I figured I'd do a more American one because yeah, I don't think the shipping is worth getting all that. I mean, it's really cute stuff, but with the shipping it's just not worth it. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Got my box cutter. Slice and dice. Alright, and you guys are gonna get that first look. Photo! Be less boring. Check. Now you get to choose between 3 different themes. I didn't like the 2 themes they had, so I chose just to get just the artists that they were having, they were supporting. The Cousins Collective. So this is the artist. What's her name? Ellie Mortimer. Hello, Ellie Mortimer. Shout out to Ellie Mortimer for making this cool stuff. So let's check out what's in the very top here. Oh, it's a sticker. Check this out. I love that actually. That would be a really cool tattoo design. I might get that as a tattoo. Let's see. We get 2 stickers. What? Oh, it's a skull with like a bunch of little flowers on top. I love that. It looks like one of those drawings where you don't lift your pen up, so you just keep drawing. And we get another sticker! I fucking love stickers. I don't know about y'all, but I got a sticker box. It comes in waves. There we go. Yeah. I love that. Oh, nice. So our first pin is a shark. I love that. That's pretty dope. I'm actually need to get a banner now for pins. Okay, so our next one, I love this one actually. Okay, I don't know if you can read it, but it says bad luck on the bottom. It's a black cat in a horseshoe. I love that. That is so funny, because you know how everybody's like, black cat's bad luck. Yeah, you know, if I ever get a cat, it's gonna be a black cat, because I love black cats. Because they're my favorite color. Next pin. So me. Ah, such a crybaby. I'm trying to make this thing focus. It won't work. Okay. Next my face. Can you see it now? Of course not. It's too far away. Okay, but it's a little crying face. I love that because that's me. I'm a sensitive girl. I'm very sensitive. Read a mean comment, I'm probably gonna cry. Oh my gosh, I love this patch. I love that so much. I have pleather gym bag that I will one day use, hopefully. But my goal is to put so much patches on it, so this is perfect. But I love this. And that is it, except for the squigglies in the box. Let me set this up so you can see everything we got. Yeah, I was so surprised. I didn't expect to get stickers. You know, I was expecting just the pins and stuff. Ta-da! It's everything that comes in this month's Brat Box. Woohoo! Thank you so much, Ellie Mortimer, for this fantastic art you have. Really love your style, girl. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you know whenever I post videos. I post new videos every Monday and Friday. Hopefully I don't f that up. And thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you find this entertaining. Goodbye. Oh, stay wicked.